Here is a close look at the handy paint pail. This thing has been excellent as my husband has been working on painting projects around the house. The paint goes in very easily into the pail. Keep in mind that no inserts are included with your purchase, so you have to make sure to get those separately. But overall, this is an awesome pail, and one of the cool things about it is this handle on the back, which makes it very easy to hold on to. You could grip it like this, or you could grip it just around here if it's more lightweight and just kind of have your hand there. And it's nice and breathable too. The only thing, keep in mind that when you're holding it, especially if you are holding it like this, is that it might, like the rubbery part, that might get a bit uncomfortable on the sides of your hand while you're using it. Just keep that in mind for more long-term projects. But overall, this is an excellent paint pail, and it's really nice that you can adjust the handle too. There are overall just a lot of great features to this thing, and I would definitely recommend it for any paint projects that you might have.